Alright, pero bago tayo magpadala, silipin muna natin ito. Hi, itutour ko kayo sa sasakyan sa aking harapan. Let's go! Okay, so ito yung mga ipapadala natin, ipiprepare natin. We have here Akenplex Herbal, Kaping Natural. And we also have Sea Life Alkaline-based Vitamin C with glutathione. And we also have Aken Fast Spray Liquid Ionic Minerals. And we have here Aken Ha Plus Natural. Let's get